everybody, it's Vicki from Dinner's Done Right. We're going to start showcasing some of our items down here that we sell and how you can elevate them and use them. Today is our white chocolate raspberry scones. So these are amazing scones. You get 4 of them in a package. What I like to do though is cut them in half so I get 8. So they're perfect bite-sized pieces. So I've cut them in half. I put parchment paper down just because we got that raspberry in there. And it says tend to burn, so you're going to want to do that. Parchment paper, half, and then stick them in your oven. Now while those are cooking, I take a half a cup of fresh raspberries. You can use frozen raspberries, but I like to use the fresh right now because they're in season. Okay, I want about 30 seconds in the microwave until they're nice and soft. Then you're going to add about 1 cup of powdered sugar. It kind of depends if you're going to use fresh raspberries, frozen raspberries, and the juiciness of them. And then about a half a teaspoon of good vanilla. I get mine down at just half. It's beautiful. Mix it really well and look at this beautiful color that you've got. Now it's going to be a little runny, but that's okay because then while this is going on and your scones are cooking, you're going to pop it in the refrigerator. So while it's in the refrigerator, it gets a little thicker, which is what you want, makes it easier to take care of. See? Then I take and then after your scones are cool and you're ready to decorate, I take a sandwich bag, put it in a cup, add your beautiful raspberry sauce to the bag, and you don't need a lot because this is a little sweeter, which is good. All right, so then you're going to take your cooled white chocolate raspberry. You're going to mush this down until it gets in there, and you're going to want to cut a really small hole in there. You're going to want to make sure that it goes to the side so nobody's eating it. And then you can decorate your scone. And isn't that beautiful? Now you want to get really fancy for the 4th of July. You can do your raspberry. You can do a white one with just milk and powdered sugar. Make sure you don't use vanilla because that's going to turn it brown. And then you can do a blueberry one and you can have a red, white, and blue scone. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments what you think.